Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the GHIOPMZ single DIN car stereo. A compact yet feature-packed solution for anyone looking to upgrade their car audio system with modern connectivity. This single DIN car stereo is designed to fit standard dashboards, so before purchasing, make sure it matches your car console size. The unit measures 3.35 by 7.28 by 1.97 inches and weighs just 14.4 ounces, making it a sleek addition without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of this stereo is its 5.7-inch HD IPS touchscreen, delivering sharp visuals and a responsive interface for navigation, media, and calls. To complement the touchscreen, GHIOPMZ has included dual physical knobs. These are perfect for quick volume adjustments and radio tuning, combining tactile control with the convenience of a touchscreen, which is especially useful while driving to minimize distractions. Connectivity is where this stereo really shines. It supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze, your contacts, messages, and music libraries directly on the screen. Everything is designed for hands-free operation, helping you stay focused on the road while keeping your favorite apps at your fingertips. The stereo also comes with Bluetooth 5.2, offering stable wireless music streaming and crystal-clear hands-free calls. Alongside this modern connectivity, it maintains traditional FM and AM radio, so you never lose access to news, sports, or local music stations. For those who want extra convenience, this stereo supports a reverse camera. When you put your car in reverse, the display automatically switches to the rear camera view, which has a wide 170-degree angle to reduce blind spots and make parking safer. There's also an RCA output to integrate the stereo with your existing vehicle audio system seamlessly. The package includes a backup camera, a microphone, wiring harness, remote control, and accessories to simplify installation, plus a guide for connecting your steering wheel controls if your car supports it. GHIOPMZ has built this unit with driver safety and usability in mind. The dual knobs make it easy to operate essential functions without looking away from the road, while the IPS display ensures your maps, calls, and media are always clear, even in bright sunlight or at night. Additional features like mirror link, EQ customization, Type-C and USB ports, and support for steering wheel controls make it a complete entertainment and control hub for modern driving. Overall, this single DIN car stereo offers a compact design with powerful functionality, merging modern smart connectivity with the classic controls that make driving safer and more enjoyable. Whether you want to stream music, navigate hands-free, or integrate a reverse camera, this single DIN stereo provides a tidy, all-in-one solution for upgrading your car's infotainment system. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich single DIN stereo that fits most vehicles and brings CarPlay, Android Auto, and smart driving features together, this unit is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.